Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the gold price has moved in the last 2 days and how the gold price can move in the next 2 days. See, if we look at the chart since 2021, we have seen the range of gold is in between at a high of around 1958 or and a low of around 1677, and I've already told you that keep this in mind that if the price goes below a level of 1721, then we can see there can be chances it can go fall further, and chances of coming at 1677 is very high. Okay, so make a note of it, and whenever the price comes below 1721, keep this in mind. Okay, and remember one thing, and keep that too in mind, that if the price goes, that means if the price, those who don't want to take much of the risk, if the price comes down to around 1697, then there is high probability of crossing a level of 1676. Keep this also in the mind, and then there is a probability that it can go and touch a level of 1658, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 1644. So you can get a big movement 1644 or 1645. So 1676 to a level of 1645, you can capture all these points, but what you have to understand, it's a risky thing, or you have to be very calculative. Okay, this is my personal view. Okay, so analyze yourself or consult your financial advisor before investing or trading. See, now if you look at the chart, what we can see that there, if we make a trend line, look at if in this particular way, we can see the pattern is narrowing. Okay, and if the price sustain, if the price sustain again in this particular region for some time, then we can see there can be upside movement or downside movement looking at the chart. Okay, see, look at the chart, and we can see that if the price goes below a level of 1760, then we can see it can go further low and can touch a level of 1747, 1749, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1719 also. Okay, so before that, if you have any doubt regarding gold position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this process of technical is working in the gold movement. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. And one more thing, at the end of this month I am giving a one giveaway, which is of around $500. So if you like, share and subscribe this, and if the view goes above 2k, then I will be providing this in the end of the month. Okay, see, now look at the chart. If the price goes above this level 1790, okay, then chances will be very high. Now it is trading around 1780. Suppose if it stays above this level, then we can see chances are high it can touch a level of 1790.5, and if the price stays above this level, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 1795. Once 1795 is cross upside, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 1806. Okay, because what we can see that if the price sustain above a level of 1795, then we can see the next resistance coming at around 1801. Okay, and this resistance already had been tested. Probability is very high it can go further upside to a level of 1807. If the price stays above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1817. Okay, and this is the trend line which we can see is a probability of getting upside if it stays above this level, and if the price stays above 1817, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1824 also, and if the price stays above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1836, and this 1836 already been has become a weak resistance, so probability is there we can see it can go and touch a level of 1846. Okay, then there is a probability it can go and touch a level of 1846, and once 1846 is touched, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1856. And I have already told you that if the price stays above 1845, then there is a probability it can move further upside, because this is the particular range. If you notice from few months, that means around 7 or 8 months or even a year, that if the price stays above this level, then we see around 20 or 50 dollar movement. Okay, and if it goes below this level, it comes down again. Okay, so now look at the chart. Suppose if the price didn't sustain that level, now it is trading around 1780, it didn't sustain this level, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 1774. And if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1765. Okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1760.91. And if it goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1749. Once 1749 is crossed downside, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1735, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 1724. And I've already told you that if the price goes below a level of 1735, chances will be very high it can go and touch a level of 1721. And once I've already told you that if the price goes below 1721, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 1703. And once 1703 starts, then we can see it can go further low, because these levels are already gone weak and have tested 2-3 times. So chances are very high it can go and touch a level of 1692. Once it crosses below 1716, stays for 5-10 minutes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1676. And once this level is touched, and it has already tested twice, so chances will be very high it can go further low and can touch a level of 1658, or it can go and touch level 1644 if it stays below this level. Okay, and if the price goes below that level, then it can go and touch level 1626 also. Okay, any doubt? I have already told you that you can mail me. Okay, and if you want a workshop, because most of the trader, what they do is they can trade, but what is the probability that they lose? There is 95% probability that they lose the money, because they don't know when to trade and when to invest. Okay, and when to wait. You have to understand one thing. Keep this in mind, that suppose your capital is $10,000 and you're trading with it. Okay, don't invest whole of your capital in one trade. Okay, always try to trade with 10 to 20% of your capital per trade. Okay, and the stop loss should be 0.05 to 1% for that particular trade. Okay, suppose if you are trading with 1000, okay, 1000 for a trade, okay, then your stop loss should be maximum of $100. Okay, so that you can trade normally and relaxed in the next day. The main people do what is they try to recover that amount. That is a first and foremost thing that the most of the trader do. Okay, and if you are investing for a longer term, please you should not be looking continuously on the charts and all. If you believe, then you should go, because if we look at the chart, we can see we have seen 2-3 months that has been moving up. Okay, but always try to analyze it when the price is going in just 2 months or 3 months, so that you should know that suppose if you have seen the price in 2012, the price was very high and now it has not reached to that level itself. Okay, one more thing, if you are trading, you should understand that if you made a loss of around $100, if your capital is 1000, exit the trade for the day, because it is very important to save your capital for the next trade. Okay, and the next day. So if you are in a loss of $100, if your capital is 1000, please exit the trade for the day and you can trade the next day. Okay, this is some of the points I've explained in my workshop. This one of the point. Okay, if you want to attend my workshop, you can mail me and we can arrange the time when we can do the workshop. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.